In horse stance, both arms straight and hands hold the stick at heart. Then pull up, through up the staff, then gripping. You can hold 20 times or 30 times, even more, but finger need hold hard. Then be careful, not drop down, drop your foot. This is you damage your foot. So be careful. Then turning poke left right, turning staff left right. Then training wrist and finger. By each chance, you can do 20 times, 30 times or more, but depending your body's energy. 3 times left or right. Yeah. Then horse stance. Then rolling the 2 arms, like conditioning. Both arms, both the palms straight up, palm face forward. Then rolling the arm, you can push the palm through and gripping, through the stick, then gripping, through gripping, then gripping hard, like that. It's training the finger. Hurt the arm, like conditioning. You can use 20 times or 30 times. Then turn left, like the both stance, rolling arm again. Yeah, you can through poke, then you can hold through stuff that can hold like the horse stance. You can do 20 times or 30 times. Then turn right, then put the palm, then rolling the arm again. Yeah, it's left right stem, then palm face forward, like the put the palm. Yeah. Then push palm, then turn back. Keep body straight, then through gripping, then back horse stance.